have plenty of stocks to talk about as we head into trade this morning. So let's get straight to that. Our entire research team is joining in. Anuj, what are you looking at today?
Well, I'm just deviating a bit from banks, which I've been talking about almost on a daily basis. Yesterday, for the first time after a long time, I saw a bit of a breakout in pharma stocks. Now, I don't know if this is just a one-off, but then I looked at some stocks which are interestingly placed. I think first is Syngene, where you had that block deal as well. And I think yesterday it made or almost made some kind of a golden cross with 50-day moving average coming over 200. Extremely weak stock, but again, oversold stock. First signs of buying yesterday. And the other is Abbott. We don't talk about the stock a lot because it's very expensive stock. I mean, expensive in terms of PE as well, but in terms of the absolute number as well, 18,000. So normally not very sort of actively traded stock. But yesterday it was one of the top gainers and it crossed 200-day moving average with ease. So I think these are a couple of names that I'll keep an eye on. But let's go across to Vivek. He's, of course, watching out for Triveni Turbine and Triveni Engineering and TFCI as well. Vivek?
Well, good morning. Whole host of stocks on the radar. Today, the Triveni twins, Triveni Engineering as well as Triveni Turbine will remain in focus. So what we are expecting is that in Triveni Turbines, where Triveni Engineering holds a 21.85% stake, we understand that out of this overall stake, 11.85% stake is expected to change hands via a block deal. And we understand that the remaining 10% that Triveni Engineering holds will be bought back by the promoters of Triveni Turbines. Now, the particular price band for this particular block deal is very narrow. It's between 226.7 to 229 rupees a share, and we understand that Triveni Engineering is looking to raise almost 1,600 crore worth of capital from this particular block deal proceeds. The current market cap is close to 6,500 crore only. Now, unlike the name suggests, Triveni Engineering is in the sugar business, and the company does have a history of rewarding shareholders, especially via the buyback route. Now, when you're talking about Tourism Finance Corporation of India, again, 13% equity yesterday changed hands via multiple block deals. Two large funds actually have made a complete exit. When you're talking about India Opportunities Fund, they sold their entire 9% stake in the company, and Tamaka Capital Mauritius too exited their entire 2.68% stake in the company. GIR Dairy Farming Products is the one that has bought quite a significant bunch, and a whole host of other names that are not yet declared on the exchanges because of the less than 1% that they've bought in this particular block deal.
Okay, thanks a lot for that. So we'll keep an eye out on these stocks. I'm watching out for three stocks this morning. There's M&M, Swaraj Engines and Kirloskar Industries. Now, M&M has gone ahead and acquired additional 17.4% stake in Swaraj Engines from Kirloskar Industries for a sum of about 300 odd crores. Now, with this acquisition, what happens is Swaraj Engines becomes a wholly owned subsidiary of M&M. The stake that M&M has in Swaraj Engines will now rise to 52.1%. Now, this is, of course, we're expecting M&M to be in the green, but this is also a big positive for Swaraj Engines because now M&M takes complete control of Swaraj Engines. In any case, Swaraj Engines manufactures diesel engines for Mahindra tractors itself, and the earnings have been very good. In the year gone by as well, the revenues went up 15.5% at about 1,138 crores. And if you see the last 3 years, the turnover has improved substantially for Swaraj Engines. So I'm going with green over there. And for Kirloskar Industries as well, it's the holding company of the group. So I'm going with green on that stock.
Okay, going with green.